Welcome to Motorcycle News channel. For the international markets, Aprilia sells the 125cc Tuono and RS. India is expected to get the 150cc model. For those looking for a comfortable ride along with a sporty image, the Tuono 150 and the RS 150 are an excellent product. Going by how Aprilia has priced its products in India, both the bikes could give stiff competition to rivals such as the recently launched Yamaha R15 V3 and the Suzuki Gixxer SF, Honda Hornet among others. Both the Aprilia RS 150 and the Tuono 150 draw power from the same 150cc fuel-injected engine, which produces 17 bhp and 14 Nm of torque. Suspension duties are carried out by USD at the front and monoshock at the rear. As for the brakes, both the bikes come fitted with 300mm disc up front and 218mm disc at the rear, aided by ABS. Quick shifters are offered as optional.